This video provides an overview on how you can appeal decisions made about your reemployment assistance claim. Reemployment assistance is just Florida's way of saying unemployment compensation. All appeals must be filed within 20 calendar days of the determination date, even if the date you receive the determination is different. It's important that you remember to continue requesting your benefits until a decision has been made on your appeal. If you do not, additional reemployment assistance benefits may not be paid. If you receive a notice of disqualification or wage transcript and determination from the Department of Economic Opportunity and you disagree with their determination, you can appeal. If the wage transcript and determination does not include all of your employment, or if it does not accurately reflect the wages you received, you can appeal by requesting a monetary reconsideration. See our video on how to request a monetary reconsideration for more information. If your request for monetary determination was denied, or if you disagree with the notice of disqualification determination, you can appeal. You can file your appeal online at the website linked in the description of this video, or you can print and complete a form at the website linked in the description of this video. You will receive a notice of hearing indicating the date and time an appeal referee will be calling you for your hearing. Appeal hearings are held by telephone. During the hearing, you have the right to testify on your own behalf, present documents and other evidence, question witnesses, examine and object to evidence presented, explain or refute the evidence presented, and make a closing statement at the end of the hearing. If you disagree with the decision, you can request review by the Reemployment Assistance Appeals Commission. The Commission will not hold another hearing. Its decision will be based on the testimony and other evidence presented to the referee and how the referee used that evidence to reach a decision. If you disagree with the Commission's final order, you can file an appeal directly in the District Court of Appeal, where you reside, or in the district court where you worked. Note that you will not receive a new or additional hearing, and you will not be able to present evidence. However, you can submit a written brief showing that the decision on appeal is legally unsupported or incorrect. For more information on the appeals process and on how to file an appeal in district court, go to the websites linked in the description of this video. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.